Hi, my name is Patricia Kolb. I'm the Chief Technologist and Lab Manager of the Histology and Research Services Lab in the Department of Pathology here at Dalhousie.
Hi, and I'm Dr. Sultan Darwish. I'm a neurologist and a neuroscientist, and I'm also the director of the Maritime Brain Tissue Bank in the Faculty of Medicine at Dalhousie University.
The tissue processor is a fundamental piece of equipment for our laboratory. Why do we call it the heart of the lab? Is because it gives us the ability to process the tissue in its natural state to be able to study further disease, any kind of disease, whether it's Alzheimer's, MS, or any kind of changes that are at the cellular level and the molecular level. So we're able to identify those things. So it's paramount for us to process the tissue in a good manner, in the best manner possible. So for us, it's paramount to have the tissue in the best state possible and process to be able to give us the best data, research data that we need.
This machine allows us to preserve the brain tissue in its natural state. And not only that, we are now able to cut these brain tissues very thin. 5 micron. What's 5 micron? It's smaller than the diameter of a hair. Very thin. And you can imagine, these brain cells are very, very small. And so when we are able to safely, properly cut these, we are now able to stain them with more different reagents, more sophisticated reagents to understand what is going on in the brains of individuals with Alzheimer's disease. So this is at a higher level of sophistication that allows us to examine brain tissues at a fundamentally important level for us to be able to make discoveries for what are the causes and hopefully find cures for conditions like Alzheimer's disease.
The processor is allowing us to process any kind of tissue. It's not just set for one or applicable for one type of disease. It's just for everything and anything.
I'd like to thank the DMRF MOLI Appeal donors for their wonderful contribution that has allowed us to purchase this invaluable equipment. Thank you very much.
This equipment is allowing us to continue working research for many disciplines, not just in Alzheimer's disease, but cardiovascular, cancer, immunology, microbiology and immunology, and many other different places and disciplines that we need this equipment. Thank you very, very much for the Moroma. Thank you very much. Thank you.